I was born and raised here in the Pocono Mountains, but I have to admit I have never been skiing. I've tried snowboarding a handful of times about 10 years ago, but never stuck with it. So today we are going to do a learn to ski lesson here at Shawnee Mountain. All right, let's go get geared up and see how it goes.
All right, so my name's Eric. I've been teaching here for 9 years now, so we'll have some fun today.
After a brief introduction on the ski equipment, from boots to bindings, it's time to learn how to stop.
Hands out in front, and all we're gonna do is push those heels out.
My instructor, Eric, makes it look so effortless. How hard could it be? And then,
Oh.
Okay, this is harder than I thought. All right, I don't know about this.
You'll be fine.
After some encouragement, we try again, and Eric is there every step of the way.
I'll give you a little pull.
I'm supposed to stop by making a giant wedge with the skis. But it looks like I'm heading for the woods instead.
There you go.
Back on the bunny hill, after a few more tries, the wedge works.
There it is.
All right.
High five. Here we go.
Next, I learn to turn.
So the way I like to teach it is, imagine you have a bug underneath your big toe, right? And what we're gonna do, we're gonna squash that bug, right?
Eric sets up a training course with poles to weave in and out of.
There you go.
Although learning to ski for the first time is a challenge, it's also a lot of fun. And I know I'm in good hands here at Shawnee Mountain. Whoa! Sorry. By the end of the lesson, it was smooth sailing down from the top of the mountain. Just kidding, but I'll get there one day. In this hour lesson, we learned how to stop and turn, kind of. Obviously, I have a long way to go, but Eric was an awesome instructor. We had so much fun. For Pocono Television Network, I'm Brianna Strunk.